Now today we finna boil some turkey necks, some pig feet, neck bones, some pigtails. I got some of everything in here today, man. I'm telling you, let's pop it with the Tonys and the Old Bay right here. And I got some onion powder. The garlic powder coming right after this. I told you, look at that. Oh my Lord, now this is a taste of Italy right here. That sandwich goat seasonings is platinum. What y'all know about that paprika? Yeah, and I got a little chili powder right here I'm gonna add to it. Now look, we gonna add half of this bag right here. That crab bar seasoning, we gonna add half of it because it's spicy. Not that spicy, like the extra spicy. Now I got my garlic and my celery. Got some onion right here, nothing but flavor. Look at the green onions too. I gotta put the green onions in here with it. I got some orange bell peppers. I got some regular green bell peppers. And you know I gotta pop it with the red bell peppers. Now finally, after your meat nice and clean, let's pop it with the turkey necks, the pig feet right here. And I got some neck bones. Get close, come here, look at this. Look at the neck bones. Smell it through the phone. Oh my Lord, look at that. Look at that. Now look, this about midway through right here. We gonna cook these for about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours, or until tender. Now look, let's add our sausages. We got our potatoes right here. Look, they didn't stop playing. They coming, they smell it, they want it. Now y'all know, I always tell y'all, add your corn at the end. Look at that steam. That corn already cooked too. Now look at that. After about an hour and a half, platinum. Don't forget, I got the platinum merch, man. All you gotta do is hit the link in my bio and go get your merch today. I got the t-shirts, the hoodies, I got the aprons, and it's all platinum. Look at that bar of meat right there, man. Look at the neck bone.